Now we have the CEO here of Karen. Mama Abari?
Mzuri sana, Your Excellency.
Yes, we are discussing matters health, and somebody told us that you have some views on matters claims.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. This is Juliet Kikonyo speaking on behalf of the Karen Hospital, Your Excellency. I would like to say that we have been working hand in hand with SHA through our partnership with my office and that of Dr. Messi, and we would be happy to let you know that we have been able to do a number of cardiac procedures, especially through the cath lab, ranging from anything to do with angiographies and angioplasties, and most importantly now we are able to do EPS studies, which is one of the few places in the region of East Africa and Central region who is doing electrophysiology studies. And these are all some of the cardiac packages that we're able to do with the partnership of SHA. In addition, we're doing open heart surgeries, both on pediatric and adults, through our program, which is also a partnership with SHA, Your Excellency.
So, just for a good record, what is your experience as a hospital between what you had as an experience with NHIF and what you have as an experience with SHA? Is there a difference or is the same?
Your Excellency, I would like to let you know that through the office of Dr. Messi, we have had a better partnership because during this tenure of your presidency, we've been able to actually have collaborative meetings with the office around things to do with the operations, the claim management, and also payments, Your Excellency.
So, somebody was alleging that Karen Hospital is complaining that they have not been paid by SHA.
Your Excellency, that is incorrect. To date, we have received almost over 100 million Kenyan shillings from SHA, and we are very appreciative of that. And I'd like to say that that is incorrect information, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much, Daktari. So we treat all the other stories as the usual, fake news and misinformation.
Kindly, Your Excellency, that is fake news, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Daktari. So, Esther, please check your sources before you misinform the public. The thing we do not want is people making general statements. Many hospitals have not been reimbursed. Which ones? You know, it's good to be... Please, Mercy, do you have your data on Karen Hospital? Yes. Can we have Kikonyo on the line?
Let's proceed. Not answering. Maybe he's in theater.
Okay, sorry. All right. So, but for clarity, you know, because we want to avoid generalities. Mercy.
Yes.
Can you give us the details of how much Karen Hospital has claimed, how much has been paid for the last 1.5 years?
Thank you, Your Excellency. So I've opened the system, and this is real time, as at 21:26 today. Karen Hospital has submitted total value of claims 302,593,226 from the beginning of SHA. SHA has paid them 66.5%, so we've paid them 201,506,857 million Kenya shillings. We have rejected 9.5 million claims. That's just 3% of their claims. SHA has returned 40,284,778 to Karen to action. They have not yet actioned this claim.
For them to provide documentation?
Yes, to provide, exactly, extra documentation for ourselves. So what I am holding for Karen unreviewed is 51 million only.
So, Dr. Kikonyo, wherever you are, it's good to be truthful. Yeah? And I have had this conversation with people with many generalities, you know. This is not working, that is not working, this is... We want to answer to facts.